age-based investment strategies for SIPs. Are you wondering how age affects your investment strategy? Whether you're in your 20s or 50s, the right SIP plan can help you reach your financial goals more effectively. Today, we're going to talk about how age-based investment strategies can make a big difference in your SIP investments. Let's break down how you can adjust your SIP strategies based on your age, investment horizon, and life circumstances. Because when it comes to investing, time and age really matters. First, let's talk about why age matters in your SIP planning. Time is a key factor in growing your investment. The power of compounding shows results over long periods. Now, if you're young, you might not need to invest huge amounts to see significant growth because you have time on your side. But as you grow older, with a shorter time horizon, you may need to invest more to reach your goals. Age also impacts how much risk you're willing to take. Young investors tend to be more comfortable with risk, whereas older investors usually prefer stability. So let's take a look at how to plan your SIP strategy at different stages of life. Let's start with your 20s. You've got time, a lot of time. This is when you can afford to take some risk because you have decades to weather the ups and downs of the market. In your 20s, you might want to lean heavily into equities. Equity mutual funds offer relatively high return potential, even though they come with higher volatility. If you're really aggressive, you could consider small cap or mid cap funds to optimize your returns. Now let's talk about your 30s. This is when people take on new financial responsibilities. Maybe you're buying a home or saving for your kids' education. As your expenses rise, it might be harder to increase your SIP amount. But don't worry, a step-up SIP plan could be the solution. It lets you gradually increase your SIP contributions at regular intervals, so you don't feel overwhelmed. At this stage, you can still focus on growth, but with a bit of stability. Flexi-cap funds or hybrid funds, which combine equity and debt, can offer some relative stability while still allowing for growth potential. In your 40s, retirement starts to feel a lot closer, and you might want to shift gears. At this point, you'll probably want to balance growth and risk. Consider shifting towards relatively stable options like hybrid funds, which invest in both debt and equity, on large cap funds that focus on established companies with steady growth. Your priority might now be mitigating risk while still aiming for some growth. It's all about finding that balance as you get closer to retirement. Finally, in your 50s and beyond, the focus shifts more towards capital preservation and generating steady income. At this stage, you'll likely want to shift a larger portion of your portfolio into stable investments like debt instruments or bonds. This helps mitigate impact on the capital you've built while providing a more stable income stream. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy. Your SIP investments should evolve as your age and financial situations change. And always consult with a financial advisor before making major investment decisions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more investment guidance. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.